What if the wrong drone could ruin your child's first flying experience, or even be dangerous? After testing 27 drones, these 5 stand out for safety, fun, and durability, but number 3 will shock you with its price. All parent-approved picks are linked below. Let's take off. Number 1. TOMZON A31 Drone for Kids Review. The TOMZON is easy to fly, and features multiple color blades. Perfect for beginners, this drone comes with a controller, 2 rechargeable batteries, and some extra propellers. There are many ways to control and operate it for optimal fun. It has automatic frequency pairing, 1 key landing and takeoff, and 3 speed adjustment functions which are ideal for both kids and adults. It auto-hovers in the air until a direction is chosen for flight. It features amazing changing colors that look awesome in low-lit areas. The copter is wrapped by protective guards to protect kids from spinning propellers. Besides the 360-degree rotation, 3D flips and headless mode, there's an emergency stop button that will let the drone cut off power and stop flying immediately. Number 2. Q9S Drones for Kids Review. The Q9S is a pretty solid device. The drone is very durable, so it's just what you need for a kid. The way it's lit up is visually appealing. The way it flies is really smooth and easy to control. There are 3 modes, 3 speeds, an auto takeoff, and it can do flips. There's also a headless mode, which is a special function that almost all entry-level quadcopters have. This function allows you not to monitor the quadcopter's orientation in the air and therefore makes it much easier to control in line of sight. The drone simply flies in the direction you set on the joystick regardless of where its head or tail is. It is a very relevant function for an inexperienced pilot. The copter is not very loud and safe for the indoors. With all of that, it's good for kids or beginners. The Q9S drone is a robust and visually appealing device, offering smooth and easy control with 3 modes, 3 speeds, auto takeoff, and the ability to perform flips, making it suitable for kids or beginners. It features a headless mode, simplifying control by allowing the drone to fly in the joystick's direction regardless of its orientation, and is quiet and safe enough for indoor use. Number 3. Force One Scoot LED Hand-Operated Drone Review. Do you have a young child who wants to fly a drone but is too little for a standard flight controller? Take a look at the Force One Scoot. This UFO-inspired copter is far from a traditional one, but it's perfect for kids. To launch the drone, you simply toss it in the air and it comes to life with bright LEDs and hangs in the air. Built-in motion sensors allow you to fly it by waving your hands beside it, making it very easy to control without the need for a remote. The Scoot LED hand drone, with a diameter of 4.3 inches, comes with a USB charging cable and offers 8 minutes of flight time after being charged for 50 minutes. It features a 360 degrees rotating flight design. It's safe, durable, and inexpensive, just what you need for a kid. After trying out this product, I can say that this UFO-inspired drone, ideal for children, comes to life with bright LEDs when tossed in the air and can be easily controlled by hand motions thanks to its built-in sensors, eliminating the need for a remote. It's safe, durable, and affordable, making it an excellent choice for young users. Number 4. Holy Stone 110G Drone Review. The Holy Stone HS110G represents a blend of advanced technology and user-friendly features that make it an appealing choice for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. A standout feature of the HS110G is its GPS auto-return. This function allows the drone to remember its home point and return automatically if it loses signal, loses power, or if the auto-return button is pressed. This feature greatly reduces the risk of losing the drone and ensures greater safety during flight, making it particularly appealing for new pilots. The HS110G offers several smart flight options. Users can set a custom flight path as per their preferences or have the drone automatically follow them. These features not only add to the fun of flying but also increase the versatility of the drone, making it suitable for a variety of uses, from filming to simply enjoying a hands-free flight experience. Holy Stone has equipped the HS110G with several upgrades to enhance its performance and user experience. The drone features detachable propellers, which make it exceptionally portable. It includes 2 modular batteries that together offer up to 26 minutes of flight time, which is substantial for drones in this category. Furthermore, the control range extends up to 984 feet, allowing substantial distance for exploration and recording. Number 5. DEERC D20 Mini Drone for Kids Review. The DEERC D20 drone comes with a controller that is easy to use, and has a phone holder on it, prop guards, 2 batteries providing 930 minutes of flight time each, and extra propellers. It's foldable, which makes it even tinier. There are no sensors on the bottom. This is one of the most silent drones, which is definitely an advantage. The camera is tiltable, so you can tilt it all the way up or down. The camera quality is good for the price. The absolute pro of the DEERC D20 Mini is the app it comes with. You can easily access all the features through the app even if you don't have a controller with you. The users have complained that the footage is very glitchy/shaky because there's no SD card, so it totally depends on Wi-Fi quality. So, which drone is perfect for your future pilot? Tag them in the comments. If this saved you from a bad buy, smash that like button, share with fellow parents, and subscribe for more smart toy guides. Want these exact models? Check the description for the best deals. See you in the skies.